Let's take a look at this place, 1 Atkinson Drive in Saugus, Massachusetts. Full tub surround. Let's go close that up. This is a 1-bedroom condo in Saugus, Massachusetts. Nice built-ins when you enter. This bedroom is actually really incredibly great size for this unit. And if we, oh wait, look at all this closet space. So much closet space. If you're looking for a place for yourself and this suits your needs, check out this custom built cabinetry in the back. You have so much room to store all your shoes and have yourself a great time. Let's just take a look at this living room space. Private walkout. Very comfortable living room. Kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Lots of cabinetry. Look at that. Cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. Nice granite. You have a lot of storage space for this space. If you're looking for a place close to the city, Saugus, Massachusetts might be the place for you. Oh, and let's not forget, you have your own private patio, some trails in the back so you can walk your dogs and have yourself a good time. Building itself is managed well and taken care of. You don't have to shovel the snow. You don't have to cut the lawn. And that's the beauty of living in a condo like this. So if you're starting out or maybe you're downsizing, this could be the perfect place for you. This place could be the property that gets you started. Or if you're downsizing and you can manage going up and down that one step, you just come right into this property and you don't have a lot of stairs at all, and you have yourself a good time. So if you're looking for a place in Saugus, you know who to call. DNA Realty Group.